Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the new drum gun from Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the part right above the trigger. So we're just going to draw one long rectangle. I believe it's called the receiver part of the gun. So we're just going to draw one long rectangle like this, and I'm going to leave a little bit of space right at the front here. Right in the front, I'm just going to draw another rectangle. So this is going to be the drum. Okay, I'm going to close this off. It's going to be a little bit tricky to try to get this kind of proportion, but see how close you can get to this. Okay, and then from here we can add in a little bit of detail. Just going to add in another line around this. On the top, I'm going to add a little bit of rectangle right here. Okay, so let's see. So now let's draw in the trigger itself, the handle. So from this point here, from this line here, just find the midpoint. Okay, and that's gonna be the back of the trigger. So I'm gonna come down, and then I'm just gonna kind of curve it down. Okay, and then from here, just come back up here. I'm gonna draw a little angle, and then I'm gonna come straight across here. So this is gonna be the trigger part. So to finish up the grip, I'm just gonna curve. There's gonna be a little bit of bump here. I know it's a little bit tricky. And then for here now to draw in the trigger, just continue this line across. Just draw like a little box and have this part, just give it a slight curve. And then the trigger itself, so this one's easy. And then let's add in just a couple of detail screws. Okay, so from here, let's finish up the stock on the back, since we're back here. So from this corner here, just kind of slant down, and then slant up, and then just kind of continue the slant of this one. Just kind of come down a little bit further. And then now from here, draw one little line, and just kind of round it off. There's a lot of strange angles. So now for the stock itself on the back, just kind of flare it out slightly. And then we're gonna close that off. Okay, and then for some detail, there's gonna be one circle here. And then on the back here, there's not a lot of stuff going on, so we can just finish this. Let's draw a rectangle here. It's gonna be one little there, and then it's gonna be a sight here. So just draw almost like a box, and on top of it, I'll just draw like a little rectangle. And that's about it for this part. So it's actually a very simple looking gun. And let's see, for the drum itself, there's gonna be one little detail. I'm just gonna draw a line across, a line down. Okay, so now let's draw in the barrel. So the barrel is a little bit tricky. So start from here, like come down midpoint, come down slightly more. And I'm just gonna go out. And this part here is gonna come down slightly. So it's actually a little bit skinnier up here, down here. Okay, and then from here now, we're just gonna go draw straight lines, horizontal lines straight across. And then we're gonna close it off. Give it one section, one larger rectangle. And then for the barrel itself, so this one's easy, it just kind of flared out slightly. And then I'm just gonna close that off. And then the sight, it's kind of tapered in on the tip. Okay, and then let's see now for the other grip. So this one's gonna be straight. So we're gonna start here, and then we're gonna go out straight. And then we're gonna come down. Okay, we can just stop there for now. And then we're gonna come back here, come down, just curve it out, and then curve it up. Okay, and then now for the grip, so we're gonna start on the back here. So we just kind of come down, and then here there's gonna be a few of these little bumps. And then once you get to the bottom, we just kind of hook it up, just kind of close that off. Okay, and then lastly, for some details, let's see, there's gonna be on the tip here, just draw 3 little rectangles. And then here's gonna be a lot of little rectangles, but we can just go ahead and just draw in a bunch of lines. So all the way across. And that is it for this drum gun. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.